Good morning, world! By the way, today I will do something. We got this one after Christmas. So, since I have free time, it's a DIY diamond art kit. So, the paint is a Christmas globe. So, ito po yung laman. Ipapakita ko po ito, guys. Ito po yung laman. So, it's a Christmas globe and sa gitna may word na peace on earth. So, sa nakikita nyo na ngayon, alam nyo na, may idea na kayo kung ano yung gagawin ko. So, aside from this one, ito po yung ibang laman. May applicator. This one. So, ang purpose po dito ay yung ito. So, we have lots of colors. These are the diamond. Different colors. So, we have a plastic here. So, may mga plastic din na kasama. So, purpose po dito, pagkatapos, yung mga tira-tira, pwede natin ilagay dito. Kasama sa loob ay merong ganito. It's a heart shape. No, but this is wax. So, very useful po ito para sa ating applicator. So, ang nilalagay ko ngayon is color yellow. The symbols, meron dito is number 2. Then, the color code is yellow. So, yung nilalagyan ko lang ito is yung may number 2 sa symbols. So, ito number 2. Number 2. Napakadali lang naman maglagay. Kaso lang, hindi mo to matapos ng isang araw lang. So, it will take time. So, by the way, ito po yung number 2. Symbols. Number 2. Then, color code is 131. So, ito po yung 131. So, napakadali lang kasi may nakalagay na kung anong kulay ang ilalagay. May symbols, tsaka serial number, at tsaka color code. So, napin mo lang yung may number 2 dito. Pag walang number 2, hindi number 2, wag mong lagyan nito para hindi mag-iba-iba yung kulay. Right, my love?
Right, honey. I totally agree.
Ganito ako katutok sa paglalagay. Time consuming, pero enjoy naman. Sa ngayon, isa-isa ko munang nilalagay. Dahil hindi ko pa masyado galamay, kumbaga. Dahil pwede mo namang isabay 2, 3 hanggang 4 para mas mapabilis. Pero ngayon, kailangan ko lang muna, chillax muna. At gusto din ni Happy mag-try. So, ayan na. So, you cannot finish this in just one day.
No, you cannot.
You still find the number 2?
Your eyes plays tricks on you.
But it's really nice to do it. It's a kind of stress reliever.
It is.
This one is just nice if you really have free time. You still okay? Are you still okay?
I'm okay. I might have to call it Chris. Oh, uh-oh. I missed the
No,
two.
that's still okay.
I'll let you do it.
Okay, that's still okay. You can move a little bit. Okay, that's fine. You can sit down. You're sleepy now?
I'm gonna do what I do best. I'm gonna kind of lay on the couch.
Okay. Let's just do this, and if I get tired, you know me, we'll stop and do this next other day.
Okay.
That's why pala earlier it's really hard to stop because something is there.
Yeah.
Because I keep on pushing it earlier, but I keep on putting wax, but why is that?
I think there was something in though. Did it come out?
I think so, because right now it worked.
That's good.
It's my day too. Gamitan natin ang tig-apat para medyo mabilis. Pwede din tig-isa-isa. Pero sobrang tagal kapag tig-iisa-isa. Pag may apat na tigpa pareho, so pwede isang, yan, apat. So direkta lang dikit. Another apat. Tatlo lang, tatlo. Ito yung apat. Tatlo. Sabay natin yung tatlo. At may tatlo dito. There you go. Meron pang tatlo. Ito dalawa. Pwede din dalawa naman. Pero pag halimbawa ganito, isa-isa na lang tayo. Dahil hindi pwede isabay na kasi yung katabi, ibang kulay na naman. Time consuming, ika nga time consuming ito. Pero nakakalibang naman. Naglalagay ko isa-isa kasi yung katabi nito ay ibang kulay. Sa ngayon nilalagyan ko ay puro letter N, symbol N, at ito yung color for letter N. Iba-iba yung kulay. May number 5, but iba yung kulay. Medyo light, tsaka may widen, ibang kulay. May number 5, iba-iba yung color code. So tiis-tiis lang, tiis-tiis lang, matatapos ka rin. But it will take more days to finish this. Yung N. So see, nakita nyo, may N. Katabi nitong N, may 5, may 4. So yung 5, iba yung kulay. At saka yung 4, iba yung color. Yung number 4, dark siya. Then yung 5, medyo light color. So sa ngayon, yung N yung nilalagyan natin ng diamonds. I think wala. Meron pang N dito. Meron pang N dito banda. Okay. Ito naman, yung katabi ng N is may 5 tsaka may Y. So, iba yung kulay ng Y, iba yung kulay ng 5.